Hi, I'm Andrew. Hi, I'm Andrew. I was part of the class of 2017. I was also a part of Amasuga's Calculus BC class, and I'm going to be going to UC San Diego in the fall, majoring in mathematics. I hope I can get changed into engineering, but yeah. Alright, so I'm here to talk about my experience in Calculus AB and Calculus BC. I took Calculus AB in my junior year of high school. I had Mr. Kikunaga. He's a great guy, great teacher. I ended up taking my calculus exam for AB, and I was pretty lost the entire year. I ended up failing with a score of 2. I don't even know. I didn't want to check. I was just really bummed about it. I didn't want to check like what I messed up on, what sections I did bad on, but I know that a lot of you will be coming into AB thinking that it's going to be extremely hard, and a lot of you might be going into BC already discouraged because of how you did in Calculus AB. Okay, so my senior year came and I was thinking about doing Calculus BC, but I was discouraged by my performance in AB, and I didn't feel like I was quite ready for it yet, but I remember Amasuga saying that when he started teaching BC, he had many AB students join, and a lot of those students had failed their AB test, but they ended up passing their BC exam with 4s and 5s and 3s, and I think, long story short, after I took the BC exam, I kind of surprised myself. I got a 5, and I was just kind of in disbelief because I went from getting a 2 in AB to getting a 2 plus 3. That's 5. So it was pretty shocking. I knew that I would pass, but I didn't think I'd do that well. I have Amasuga to thank for that, and a lot of my friends who I worked with. And I think that's a major key to finding success in Amasuga's BC class, is finding a friend or a partner who you can rely on to work with every day, and even when you're at home. My partner that I worked with all year was Sean Chen. Some of you may know him. He also got a 5 on the exam, and it was very surprising to me because he got a 1 on the AB test. So it shows that no matter what you got on your AB exam, you can still do it in BC. You can still make it. So don't be discouraged by what you got in AB. And if you're just coming into AB right now, you have a great teacher to start you off with now that Amasuga is teaching Calculus AB this year. So sometimes when you're in the classroom, you may not understand a subject completely. Although Amasuga is a great teacher, sometimes you just may not get it, and sometimes asking your friends just isn't enough. It's something you have to take into your own hands. You can't blame Amasuga for your shortcomings. It's something you have to take into your own control. You're going to find yourself doing a lot of free response questions in his class and a lot of AP problems from previous years, and at first it might seem difficult, but once you start doing it every day, you start to actually enjoy it. They became really easy, and Amasuga's free response questions that he gives you, make sure you do your best on those because those are a big part of the exam. Calculus, it doesn't test you on what to do, it doesn't test you on what you memorize to do, it tests you on what you understand of it, the why aspect behind it. Because you can't just memorize in calculus anymore, you have to understand it. And that's why you have to take things into your own hands, because Amasuga can teach you what to do and how to do it, but at the end, it's up to you to understand why. In a summary, I'd say the most important parts to finding success in calculus is to have friends who you can rely on, friends who can help you, and online sources that you can refer to when you don't understand something. I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope you do well this year. Go Colts.
Go Colts? Okay, good?
Yeah. Okay, I forgot to say, shout out to Amasuga, best calculus teacher in the school by far. You all are very lucky to have him. Peace.